So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Classroom import feature to import your class and your students from Google Classroom. So go ahead and click on the Authenticate button, and then select the specific Google account you would like to authenticate with. Continue. Then it takes you back to navigate to the students page, and you will see a dialog box appear where you can easily view all of your available classes, rosters, and students from Google Classroom. Simply select whichever specific class you want to import students from, then select the students you would like to import. So it makes it incredibly easy and convenient for you. So you don't have to add each of them manually. Just quickly import all your students, your entire roster from Google.